Here we are for another edition of
Kitten Funhouse
and
Moose TV.
Moose TV.
Ow.
We're doing an unboxing number 2. This is the second. Another Indio guitar from Monoprice. So we unboxed the bass guitar. This one is a different guitar. This is a standard electric of some sort. Let's open it up. And first, so it comes in this triangle-ish box.
Give us a thumbs up if you can see the moose on the guitar. Moose and the kitty.
Yes. And so I'm cutting away the paper while
I am the king of the world.
while Aunt and Lucy are playing with the moose and the kitten.
Whoa.
All right, and so it comes in this box, and it's kind of like a.
I can
The base was kind of like a single package with an opening. This is more of a standard box
Give
type.
us some. Give us some. If you can see the moose. If you can see the moose.
This one has like more just your standard, box department store with a lid and a lid in the bottom. So it comes with a piece of cardboard in there to help protect it. Oh, it even has a manual. Good to know. This one has a little more coloring on the thing. It has a red stripe, but also has a pocket on front, like the other one, like the bass guitar gig bag. It comes shipped in the gig bag. Oh, and it's also the backpack type. So let's see what's inside.
My moose.
So zip's open. All right, Ansel's pulling it.
Wow.
Let's see what's in here. So this also, like the base, it comes with a very thin layer of packaging foam.
What's that? Where's my moose?
So another Allen wrench on top, just like on the base guitar. Anthony, please plug that back in.
What? I can do it.
Please be careful, kids.
I didn't do anything.
And then we'll take this up. We'll see what color this is. What color are these kids?
Purple.
Guess in the comments what color you think it is. Lucy thinks it's purple. What do you think?
Green.
Ansel thinks green.
It's leopard.
It's a little bit of everything. A leopard color. So this is a Les Paul style. It comes with a foam covering on the switch. Torn up. It all comes pre-strung.
Switch it.
Sure.
Oh, cool.
And then,
Wait, what did they? Oh, that's cool.
yeah. So it also comes with some plastic on
See, I went all
the
around the
truss rod
house here.
covering and the pickups. It's got two. Yeah, it needs to be plugged in.
Oh, it does. Will it be very, very, very loud?
It'll be as loud as we want it to be.
Can we plug it in right now?
Later,
I don't know.
when we go downstairs.
I went all around the house looking for the mooses.
Well, yeah, sure. So here it is, the
I
Indio
just
guitar.
have to find out
It's got a
other mooses.
pretty lightweight actually compared to.
I found you a moose. Finally.
I won't tune it up right now, but it looks pretty sturdy. It comes with this very clean. The base wasn't so clean. It does have some shaving stuff. Again, the fretboard does look looks dirty or dry or something. So a little, perhaps some work to be done on making the fretboard. It also looks like they didn't do a great job staining the fretboard, it looks like. So maybe we can touch that up later. But it has the pearl inlays here on the frets on 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, blah, blah, blah.
Daddy.
It's very shiny.
I'm doing a
But it feels pretty sturdy. And on the back, you see a couple openings if you need access. And we'll do a playing review later. And the moose is doing a butt stand, and what's this one doing? The kitten's doing a headstand. If you want to see these animals do fun stuff, post in the comments.
Wow, that's a lot of comments. Says yes, 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 yes. And yes. And one no. If you want to see these animals dance, then come again soon.
All right.
Yeah,
Stay
come again soon.
Oh, I almost forgot. It
Whoa!
comes